Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Dennis local and long-distance movers near me. One of the advantages of working with Dennis Local 3 Movers is that we are dedicated to customer service and professionalism, so you can expect reliability from us. Also, we treat your belongings with care. You can be assured of having your belongings packed and unpacked with a certain degree of attention to detail. In essence, we make sure you get the best services. If you are looking to begin a new life at another location, you might be shocked to know that some companies can only go up to 100 miles and thereby decline your request. Many people need to learn the difference between local distance and long-distance movers. The distance covered by long-distance movers is over 100 miles and requires more extensive infrastructure. For instance, they have specialized moving trucks that are designated for interstate travel, as well as experienced drivers who are familiar with the routes to take. At Dennis Long Distance 3 Movers, we offer both services to our clients. No matter the distance, we help you move your belongings and ensure they reach the destination unscathed. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Dennis Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.